Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's QJUTSU Clay Bar. It doesn't matter whether you are a detailing novice, a hobbyist or a professional, with the new QJUTSU Clay Bar you are sure to like it. The biggest reason to get a QJUTSU Clay Bar is the ease of use. It's a soft textured clay that is super easy to form. Don't worry about micro scratches because QJUTSU is a clay bar that retains its properties even after several uses. We have reduced the risk of scratching to a minimum. To start, prepare a suitable piece, one that you are comfortable working with and that will allow you to guide the clay bar easily over the surface. Knead the clay bar for a while until it becomes malleable and then form a flat shape. Every clay bar needs a good slip to work, but in this case you don't need to use specialized lubricants. Use 5 ml of QJUTSU creamy shampoo in 1 liter of water and you're good to go. Wet the piece with the prepared solution and start moving the clay bar in straight lines over the surface without too much pressure. If the surface no longer gives any resistance and the clay bar moves easily, it's a sign that you've successfully removed all dirt. Move on to the next panel. Check the condition of the clay bar regularly. If there's too much dirt on the working side, fold it, knead it again and resume work using the clean side. Did you know that QJUTSU Clay Bar will also work well on rims and windows? Work here in the same way as you would on paintwork. Do you have any unused clay left? Place it in the original container and screw the lid on tightly to preserve the clay bar until the next time you are working on your vehicle. We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.